Hi, this is Madeline Chipolit, base ID 3E. Welcome to Cisco Packet Restore Activity 5.3.4. Configure passive interfaces in RIP. Learning objectives. Configure passive interfaces on routers. Verify the configuration. Examine RIP parameters. Check the connectivity. Examine the RIP. The IP routing table. Task 1. Configure passive interfaces on routers. Step 1. Examine initial RIP parameters and access router R1 from the Command Line tab. Then examine RIP parameters by using command show IP protocols. So let's start for the configuration. Let's open the command line interface, then enter enable and show IP protocol. Show IP protocols. And next is enter global configuration mode. Second left D, enter. And next is configure fast Ethernet interface as passive. So enter router RIP. And then show the command interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Enter. Next is step number 4, save configuration by hitting Ctrl Z. Enter and enter copy run start. Step number 5, configure routers R2, R3. Repeat step 1 through 4 for the other two routers. So router 2, open the command line interface, then enter enable, then show IP protocols. Enter. Then step number 2, enter global configuration. Then step 3, configure fast Ethernet. So enter router RIP. Next is the passive interface. Enter. Then save the configuration by hitting Ctrl Z, then copy run start. Okay, let's proceed to router number 3. Then command line interface, enter, then enable, show IP protocols. Next is configure global configuration mode. MFT, enter, then router, RIP, then passive interface, pass Ethernet 0/0. Enter. Step 4, save the configuration by hitting Ctrl G and type copy run start. Save the configuration and task to verify the configuration. Step 1, examine the RIP parameters on each of 3 routers. Examine RIP by showing the show IP protocols. So show IP protocols. Protocols, enter. Then step number 2, examine the IP routing table by showing command show IP route. Show IP route. Okay, and let's proceed to router 2. So show IP protocols, enter. Then examine IP routing by showing command show IP route. Let's proceed to router number 3. Show IP protocols. Then show IP route. For the IP routing table. So we're done. Then let's proceed to step number 3, check connectivity. Verify full connectivity by pinging from each PC to other PC. 2 PCs all ping shot succeed. Okay, so let's click the PC1, PC2. Let's copy the IP address from PC1. Okay. Then command prompt, let's ping. Ping 192.168.3.10. Statistic for 192.168.3.10. Statistic. A packet sent for received for lost 1. Approximate round trip times in milliseconds. Minimum is equal to 20 milliseconds and maximum is equal to 49 milliseconds. And average is equal to 34 milliseconds. Spin again to make it successful. So ping 192.168.3.10. So pinging statistic 192.168.3.10 is successful. And let's proceed to PC number 3. Enter. Ping statistic for 192.168.5.10. Packet sent is equal 4. Receive 3. Lost 1. Approximate round trip times in milliseconds. Minimum is equal to 49 milliseconds. Maximum is equal to 69 milliseconds. And average is equal to 56 milliseconds. So let's try again. So ping statistic for 192.168.5.10. Packet sent 4 is receive 4 lost 0. So pinging statistic for 192.168.5.10 is successful. So that's all for this activity. 513.4 Configure passive interfaces in RIP. Thank you, and I hope you learned from this activity.